We all know a well-insulated home will keep the hot air out in summer and the warm air in throughout winter. But did you know you can have a say in how your house is insulated? With some basic know-how, you'll be able to make a call on insulation, which will save you money in the long run and ensure a comfortable, temperate home in all months of the year. Barwon Timber has a range of insulation solutions for new and existing homes, including products by Foilboard.
Insulation works by slowing down transfer of heat flow. R values are a measure of thermal resistance. The higher the R value, the greater the effectiveness of your insulation. Foilboard panel products are available at Barwon Timber. They are made up of reflective foil and polystyrene. The panels can be used in residential and commercial builds, on walls, under floor areas and ceilings. The foil layer helps to reflect heat rather than absorb it. If you're in an existing home, have a look at the range of underfloor insulation options available. These can achieve a thermal resistance value of R4.3 for heat flow out during winter. If you're building a new home, ask your builder if they can improve your energy rating. There's great products available to make your living comfortable and better for the environment.
Working alongside Foilboard, the builder and cladding supplier, Barwon Timber were able to deliver an R4.2 rating for winter heat flow on this new build. That's a huge improvement on the recommended R2.5. The system includes a combination of insulation bats, Foilboard standard 10 and a reflective airspace. Every product is available here at Barwon Timber. This is the new way of thinking about insulation. This build also used our quick fit cassette flooring system with Foilboard Super 15. The roof is insulated with an insulation blanket and Foilboard panels. Barwon Timber and Foilboard can help you with insulation solutions for your home or next build. Come in and see our hardware team.